Broke ass box.
What's up, man? What's up, dog?
I don't know.
Tim.
What's going on, man?
So, Country Style family, this is an impromptu video. It wasn't scheduled. We just out here in the yard. All of a sudden, the chicken and rice was ready. The neck bones was ready. Everybody was hungry. New friends rolled up, and it just turned into this. That's just the way we do it here in the country.
Country style.
Move.
There he is again. Tim Taylor,
Get it to me right now.
in the house.
I need the money right now.
So, let me give you a little background here. Now, flashback. You all saw the video when Jism was out in the yard making that ham, right? Well, Jism had said that he didn't want any interference while he was in the yard grilling his ham in his video, which, by the way, was ironic since he and the dragon were the main ones interfering in Niece Muffin's video about the pot pies.
You're gonna ignore them and work through the process? Is that how
Yeah.
you gonna make?
Nothing like a good cold blooded weather. This is country style.
So anyway, back to my point. So since Jism was busy being uninterrupted with while he was making his ham, Den Finn, meantime, decided to fire up the grill on the other side of the yard. And that's when the smoke drew this crowd. They were all hungry and having fun.
How you doing?
Now, this guy has more fun than anybody. That's Tim Taylor, and that boy is crazy.
That's Tim on the camera.
Okay, it's me on the camera.
Tim is always doing what the old country folks used to call cutting the fool. Now, for all you city folks out there that don't know what cutting the fool means, well, gather round because here comes your lesson for the day. If cutting the fool was in the dictionary, which it ain't, the definition would read something like this. Now, here comes my professional voice. Cutting the fool. A country expression used to describe a boisterous individual with a happy disposition. Usually, a person who is cutting the fool is prone to loud, fun-filled shenanigans that makes people around them laugh and sometimes fart. Also, a person who cuts the fool can sometimes be a pain in the ass. But typically, moonshine and good food will cure this.
But we don't fix it. You have to fix your damn own.
Gotta fix it yourself.
Fix it your damn own.
Got Rick right here digging in.
Oh, yeah.
Navy boy Rick say he ain't wasting no time.
Dan
Fan done told you to come on here and get some.
Chicken box.
What's under the hood?
What's the difference between chicken and rice and chicken and bog? Chicken bog.
Chicken bog is boggy. It's soggy. Chicken and rice is loose. And it's kind of...
Here we go.
You can handle it.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
What's under the hood on the lawnmower?
Look, some neck bone. Check these naked bones out.
Oh, look at that. Right there, friends. You guys have seen the lawnmower grill many times. It's old and ugly, but it damn sure can cook.
Yes, sir.
Look at that right there.
Smoke our own neck bone.
The lawnmower grill makes another appearance on Country Style.
Hey, you see that? You see that egg in there?
Yeah.
See, you don't get that in the city.
Tim,
They don't know nothing about that.
come over here. Let me tell you.
Hold up, you see that?
Yeah.
That's a little gizzard.
Come over here. Who are you?
And liver.
Got your grandma lit in her kitchen to help her cook when she didn't feel like it.
Oh, yeah.
Nobody.
Don't take long to get the yard lit. Look at Niece Raven running again. Niece Raven be so quiet. She know how to stay out of the fire, don't she? Tell them, hey, Niece Raven.
Hello.
People be saying, how Niece Raven be so quiet in the background when all the trouble start?
Because I be trying to stay out the way. I be minding my business.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mind
Smart.
yes.
All right.
Live longer.
You don't tell them.
Be the best
Handmaid wouldn't let
best
nobody
cleaner
in
in the
her
world.
kitchen but me to help her cook. If she got drunk and didn't feel like it, she's a Dennis.
Dennis
Get
was the
your
man.
ass over in there and wash your hands, and you better not tear my beans up. Stir them all the time.
Dennis was the man.
And they will come out just fine. She said, that's what I'm talking about.
Now tell them again who y'all talking about.
Had to make
Hattie
Taylor.
Mae Taylor.
Had to make Taylor.
And who was that to you?
My grandma.
There you go.
She only drunk pink champagne, and it had to be lukewarm. If it
Lukewarm.
wasn't, she'd put it in the kettle on the stove and warm it up before she drank.
Then we got home.
Got a little set out here in the yard. Country love out here in the yard. We're just showing you how we roll. Like I said, this video wasn't playing like that. It's just what it is. That's all it is right here. That's all it is. Everybody digging in, doing what they do, sitting down, relaxing. Just sitting and relaxing. And I know what y'all thinking. Y'all thinking Ken Finn is smoking a joint.
It's a backwoods cigar from this store. Okay, these guys right here smoking great big cigars, big as a quarter. I'm smoking something that ain't big as a damn dime. But I'm country, so I don't know if you call them city or what.
Hey,
but
hey,
I'm
hey.
gonna be country.
That's right.
Hey, and cook good too.
Yeah, oh yeah, you cook good. I ain't on that.
That's right.
It'll move.
Got him a good neck bone sitting on that chicken and rice.
Yeah, that's all it is.
Is it good?
You sir.
Everybody got a smoking plate.
Smoking plate.
That plate is smoking.
Yes, sir. Smoking hot.
What's the best thing about living in the country?
People, man. It's the people.
Rick, what's the best thing about living in the country?
Man, the good people, man. Good friends, good people, and good food. What's up, baby?
You know, people be saying all the time that they really respect seeing black men get together with camaraderie, having fun, everybody getting along, having a good time. It's just the way we do it. This ain't nothing special, is it, for us?
Not down here.
Nothing special, is it, neighbor boy Rick?
Friends, we're all friends. We're all friends. We are equally friends.
That's right.
And love each other and respect each other. We don't get mad with no one. No.
Except for you, we get mad at you all the time.
I'm getting. Hey, you ain't gonna run me off. That brother like.
Can't kill him and he won't die. That's the best thing about living in the country.
It's the atmosphere, man. Hanging out with your boys, you know. Being with amongst people you love.
No, Freddie. It's bone appetite. Pony, we're talking to the fellas in the yard about how in the country people get together, we don't have no trouble. They love seeing black men come together and having a good time, camaraderie. Tell them about life in the country for us, man.
That's right. That's what we do in the country. We mellow, we hang out, and we have a good time. That's right.
Don't fight.
We're all family. We all family.
All of us family.
Country style. That's what we do.
That's how we do it.
Yeah, man. What do you think about it, Booch?
Tell them about it,
This is official for me. I'm part of the family now. So what we do down here is all family and all love. That's how we handle it down here.
Now, y'all already know who the cleanest man in town is. You already know. I got my man Hez right here. Hez, what's up?
Man, we come up in here with that little camera again. I just left funerals, visit my daughter and all that stuff. And I kept looking at my wife's football game going on. I said, when is it gonna get my time?
It's your time
It's
right
my
now.
time right now for about 2 hours.
There you go. Hey, Hez.
Have my little drinks.
Yes, sir. We was talking to the fellas out here in the yard about how we get together in the country, have a good time. These are all black men. We do our thing. Talk to them about that, man. That's what we do, isn't it?
The thing is, a good unity. When you can sit down, and most of you guys the same guy, we can talk a little trash, a little smack. We don't do that in MF and them SOBs now. We don't play them. We keep that out of our vocabulary because we too grown adults to use those words. But we can have my little drink, talk a little bobo and all that stuff, and constantly relax and good laugh. But when you get my age, you don't want to be around the riff-raff anyway.
That's right. That's
You
right.
have a nice time, sit and drink and talk that little bull. 4 hours, 3 hours, cook a ham or whatever, sit back.
And it's all good.
It's all good. Get that little buzz on, those older folk, sun by down, we on in. Get our recline and go to sleep.
That's it. My man here. Right here, baby. Yes, sir.
There it is. Salute country style.
Salute.
Look at it.
That's all Ricky
That's
wants.
good.
That sausage right
That's
there.
sausage, baby. That thing good. Look at that chicken.
Navy boy Rick.
Yeah.
Navy boy Rick. I got to put you on the spot for a minute.
What's up, dude?
Now, you got Den Fin over your shoulder.
Right.
And Jism's awfully tight with you as well.
Right.
Sometimes you feel like you're stuck in the middle with the Fennels on their cooking.
Right now, I think Jism pissed with me right now. Because I'm over here eating Den Fin's food. I'm supposed to be in there with Jism while he's working on his ham. But I told him I'd come back in and check out Den Fin a little bit. So I had to get a little bit of Den Fin rice.
But
That
we're
rice and
going
chicken.
over there.
But we're finna go right now. We're on our way to go see Jism. We're going to see
We're going to
Jism.
terrorize Jism. See what Jism got going on.
We're going to see Jism right now.
All right.
So, when everybody's bellies were all full of chicken and rice and neck bones, that's when I marched them over to sample old Jism's ham, which was done cooking by now. Remember this?
Make his big presentation of his ham that y'all been watching, right? So I've rounded up the boys in the yard. Okay, I'm bringing the crowd with me. I feel like the Pied Piper. We're all taking them in to taste Jism's ham. Okay, come on in. Everybody catch up, come on. Jism! Look what I bought for you. Oh my goodness, the dragon's in here.
But what you didn't know when you were watching the ham video is that all the fellows were already stuffed with neck bones and buzzing on beer and moonshine. But hey, eater mites never turn down an opportunity to eat more good food, do they? Especially when it's free. So, as Paul Harvey used to say, now you know the rest of the story. Bon appetite, country style.
Everybody's having a good time. Let me set the stage for you now.
Oh, just one more thing. Again, now I've already told you that the Country Style Cook-Off 2022 is June 18th. I'll have all your details coming up soon, so please stop bugging me right now and be patient. It's coming, I promise you. And again, as always, hey, subscribe to the channel for us. We need the help. We appreciate you. We're out.